organizers received a letter from Governor Cooper's legal counsel alerting them the protests are not banned.
Right. However, demonstrators must follow those rules on social distancing. Our Anthony KUSTURA is live for us this morning with, why they think now is the time to reopen. Anthony?
And Brittany, we are along the state line, and here in South Carolina, businesses will reopen today. But of course, in North Carolina, the state will remain closed for the remainder of the month. And today, a group calling for the governor to lift that stay-at-home order will be back in Raleigh. This is video from their protest last week. They argue the economic cost to the state outweighs the public health threat of COVID-19, and they're asking the governor not to extend the stay-at-home order that runs through the end of the month. Governor Cooper will hold another news conference today. He hasn't released an agenda, but he did tell reporters last week the state needs more help from the federal government to reopen, and that includes more supplies to test more people.
Easing restrictions here in our state without enough masks, gowns, and gloves is like setting off on a 3-day camping trip with enough food for just one night.
The governor also says the state needs to make more progress on testing, contact tracing, and trends. He says it's important for the state to increase testing and trace people who may have come in contact with someone who is infected. He also says decisions will be made on trends like the amount of new cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. He is planning an update today at 2 o'clock. Of course, we'll be listening in to see if there's any update on whether he plans to extend the stay-at-home order or if he'll give any comment on reopening the state. You can watch for those updates tonight starting at 5 o'clock. John?
All for you. Anthony KUSTURA, live for us this morning. Just